What's up, guys? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP the Install Guy coming to y'all with another how-to. Today we got 2017 Kia Forte, and this is one of my least favorite cars to work on because these clips are tight as hell. But I'm doing an amp and sub. We're hooking up a line output converter. It's going to be behind the radio, so I have to take it out. First thing you want to do is take this bottom part out. Now this is this one right here, very tight clips. You can't really come at the top because they're so tight and flush. You can't come at the top and try to pry it because you'll end up messing up this little carbon fiber looking dash. And trust me, about 4 or 5 years ago I did one. This piece I know for sure is $1,000. Yes, it sucks balls, but you want to come up underneath. So put this flash on. Well, right here you want to come up underneath with your panel removal tool and try to get you some leverage from the back. Once you get that first one out, just keep coming from the bottom, and then that whole thing will pop out. Also, you see these 3 Phillips, you don't have to mess with any of those because these 2 hold the AC. This one holds this little panel right here, but there's one Phillips that's over here. That's the one that you have to take out in order to take this trim out. Now same rules applies with the trim. Now it's only held in by clips and that one Phillip at the bottom, but the clips are in there super duper tight. Now all you have is one Phillip in that hole, one Phillip in that hole, and there's 2 Phillips at the top, and the radio just slides out. Now there's actually no need to take these out because if you have like a small shank, you should be able to get in there with a nice Phillips bit. This is a Milwaukee bit. It actually has this little thick deal on the side, and I was still able to get in there to take the radio out. So that's how we remove the radio. I'm gonna go behind here, tap into my wires with my line output converter, and I hope I helped some of you guys out. See you next time.